Good morning, my dear children. Jai Shri Ram. Children, I think by next week we will meet in person. So at that time, I will teach two important chapter. One is hydrocarbon and another one is equilibrium. So live la வரும்போது better you have your classwork and then your observations. Most of your observations are with me. AL complete பண்ணி எடுத்துட்டு வா. மீடிய லைவ்ல நான் பார்க்கும்போது உங்களுக்கு வாட் ஆல் த திங் தட் யூ ஹேவ் டு டூங்கிறது சொல்றேன். பெட்டர் கான்சென்ட்ரேட் மோர் ஆன் ஸ்டடீஸ். புரிஞ்சுதா? ரைட்டிங் ஒர்க் போதும். நீ என்ன படிங்கயோ 12th பார்த்துக்கலாம். ஆனா இப்போதைக்கு நீ ஆனுவலுக்கு ப்ரிப்பேர் பண்ணும். ஐ திங்க் பிரின்சிபல் சார் would have told you what are all the thing that we are going to do because April first weekங்கிறது within a span it will come. So now you will be in a position to enter into 12th standard. And உங்களுக்கே தெரியும் Google Guide நம்பிதான் most of your exams you have completed. I know very well each and every paper I have cross checked and I know very well நான் நிறைய அதை track பண்ணி வர பார்த்தேன். How many answers you have copied? அது கூட direct கிடையாது, cut copy from Google form. அதெல்லாம் இனிமே ஒண்ணும் பண்ண முடியாது. The exam should be on live. Okay, it's just for fun. Nothing to, ஏன்னா after all we are kids. It's understood that குழந்தைங்கன்னா இந்த தப்பு பண்ணுவாங்கன்னு டீச்சர்ஸ்க்கும் தெரியும். இனிமே அதை பண்ணக்கூடாது because almost the year is over. We have to gain the momentum. So before starting with the new, we have left with a simple topic, P block. Children, in P block, the borax, boric acid, preparation properties are totally omitted. நமக்கு அது எக்ஸாமுக்கு வேண்டவே வேண்டாம். பட் இருந்தாலும் நான் சொல்றத சொல்லிடுறேன். பட் P blockங்கிறத பொறுத்த வரைக்கும் only it is for understanding. And as per principal suggestion, only 70% of the portion will be included for annual exam. அந்த 70% எப்படி இருக்கும்னா உன்னோட 12th இம்பார்ட்டண்டா இருக்கிறது தான் இருக்கும். So organic second volumeக்கு maximum weightage redox, organic 1 and organic 2, that is hydrocarbon, which I will teach you in live. Thermodynamics, equilibrium, chemical bonding, like that. Anyhow, I will list out those important topics that we can see later. Now let me start with P block. P block பத்தி எல்லா details I am going to tell. Why I have taken PPT? Because the notes and the hints you can make use of side heading. இன்னொன்னு ஒண்ணு, to note down the key points, the PPTs will be useful. Because by this weekend, PPT classes and live classes will be over. And then we will be starting with our regular face-to-face class from Monday onwards. Eagerly waiting to see you all. Hope we have to continue it forever. Thank you, children. Let us begin the session. Children, let me start with what are P block elements. So what is actually P block element? If the last electron enter to the outermost p orbital. As we know that the number of p orbital is there, therefore the maximum number of electron that can be accommodated in a set of p orbital is 6. So how many groups are there? 6 group in P block. Once again I repeat, children. So what are P block element? Point number 1, they are located in the extreme right hand side of the periodic table. Point number 2, the last electron enter into the p orbital, so we will call it as what? We will call it as P block element. Point number 3, in the case of P block, what is the other important answer you are going to give? You are going to tell maximum number of electrons in p orbital is 6. So P block, every row it will have how many elements? It will have 6 elements. There are 6 group of P block and it has from group 13 to group 18. Group 13 and 14 we are going to learn in 11th standard. 15, 16, 17 and 18 we will learn in 12th standard. Children, you may ask why P block elements are so special. First one I want to tell, in P block only you have metals, non-metals and metalloids. Next one, the non-metallic character of the elements decreases down the group. About what character is increasing? Metallic character only increasing. And moreover, In P block, what are all the other speciality? They have anomalous property. And what is anomalous property? All the first member of the P block shows anomalous behavior. Anomalous na compared to rest of the element, their properties are totally different. What are the anomalous behavior? Small size, high electronegativity, high ionization enthalpy, and absence of electron in d orbital. And what are the other important properties of p block? They are capable of forming multiple bond formation. So the multiple bond, அது என்னமா multiple bond n triple bond n, O double bond O, C double bond C, C triple bond N. The double bond and triple bond is formed only between the elements in P block, not with alkali or any other F block element. So these are all the special properties of P block elements. That is why P block elements are unique. Children, for better understanding the location of elements in P block, you can see the first row and then gradual filling of 2p orbital, 3p, 4p, 5p and 6p, and then they are located in the extreme what side? Right hand side of the periodic table. Children, now we will see what are all the special properties of the elements in P block. So what are all the important element in P block? You know very well. P block in group 13 and 14 we are going to learn in 11th standard, and 12th standard we are going to learn from group 15. So now let us take in the case of P block, what are all the elements in group 13? So group 13, the elements consist of what are all the important element of group 13? We can say the group 13 element consists of boron, aluminium, gallium, indium, thallium. Children, you can refer from your textbook also the important symbols. And boron is a non-metal, hardest one. Aluminium is a metal but shows many chemical similarities to boron. And gallium, indium and thallium are almost exclusively metallic character, and they are very rare also. Children, now let us see what is the general electronic configuration. Generally, P block means NS2 NP 1 to 6. Suppose if it is group 13, NS2 NP1, group 14, NS2 NP2. Like that it goes. It shows gradual filling of what electron? P orbital electron. And then already I have told you non-metallic character decreases down the group. In P block only we have boron family, carbon family, nitrogen family, oxygen family, halogen family, and then the next is noble gas. All these properties we are going to see. So என்னென்ன family இருக்கு? Boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, halogen and noble gas. Boron family means the configuration is NS2 NP1, carbon NS2 NP2, like that the noble gas NS2 NP6. What does the NS2 NP6 indicate? It shows that it is completely filled configuration. Children, now let us start with group 13 element. Before starting with group 13 element, I just want to tell few more important points about P block. Point number 1, in the case of P block, oxidation number of the elements take up a major role. And always the change in oxidation number is decided by inert pair effect. Children, please make a note what is inert pair effect. What is the answer you are going to give for inert pair effect? Non-availability of inner s orbital electron for pairing. So what is inert pair effect? Non-availability of inner s orbital electron for pairing is called what? It is called inert pair effect. In the inert pair effect base பண்ணிதான் most of the reasoning question you are going to answer. And what is the other important property I have told? Already we have discussed this question. BF4 minus is possible, but BF6 minus is not possible. Why? Because boron doesn't have electron in what orbital? D orbital. Due to the absence of electron in D orbital, boron cannot have what? Boron cannot have maximum coordination with extension of what? 6 fluoride ion. So only BF4 is possible. Suppose if you take the oxides of nitrogen, phosphate, nitrate, phosphate and all, NO3 minus. Nitrogen, you know very well, it shows the maximum valency, that is up to +5, it can show oxidation number. But in NO3 minus, 3 coordination number with pi bond involving 1 nitrogen p orbital. If it is phosphate ion, PO4 3 minus, number coordination involved is 4, S, P and D orbital contributing to what? Contributing to the pi bond. This is the answer you are going to give for what? You are going to give if they ask in 1 mark, how many coordination number do nitrate and phosphate have? Is it clear? Children, now let us see the general electronic configuration and properties of group 13 element. What are all the elements in group 13? Boron, aluminium, gallium, indium, thallium. These 5 elements. Keep aside. Point number 2, their electronic configuration. You can able to see the gradual filling of 2p, 3p, 4p, 5p and 6p orbital. Now, let us see the occurrence. Boron is rarest element and fairly rare, you can see. And how far it is available? It is available in the earth as orthoboric acid, borax, and then it is available in the form of kernite. In India, where the borax is available? India, borax is available in Puga Valley, in Ladakh, and Sambar Lake. It is in Rajasthan. But anyhow, the availability of boron is only what? 0.001% only. And boron is having 2 allotropic form. One is B10 with 19%, another one B11 with 81%. Of course, the aluminium is your favorite because it is available as the oxide ore. What are all the important ores of aluminium? Bauxite, and then next one is what? Cryolite, fluorspar, etc. So these are all the general properties that you should know about what? Group 13 element. Now let us move on to what? Important properties such as electronic configuration and all. Now, let us start with electronic configuration. The general electronic configuration of P block is NS2 NP1. When you have the close look at the electronic configuration, boron and aluminium have noble gas configuration. Gallium and indium have noble gas plus 10 d orbital electron. Thallium, the last member, will have noble gas, 14 f orbital electron and plus 10 d orbital electron core. This is the answer you are going to give if they ask question related to electronic configuration. Children, once again I repeat, if it is boron and aluminium, noble gas. If it is next gallium and indium, noble gas plus 10 d orbital electron. The next thallium is noble gas plus 10 d orbital and 14 what electron? 14 f orbital electron. This is how the electronic configuration of group 13 element insists. Children, already I have told you, boron is fairly rare element. It occurs at orthoboric acid, borax, kernite, and where it is available in India, all these things. And for the information only, I have given this as a PPT. You can make use of it.